Hi, I'm Tanner, founder of Elemental Air Systems. I'll let you in on a dirty little secret. Most air purifiers don't work. And that's a shame because there's probably dangerous particles too small to see in the air you're breathing right now. So we designed Aspen from the ground up with a 3-stage air filtration system to remove virtually every nasty, harmful pollutant you're putting into your beloved lungs. Aspen removes dangerous particles that cause allergies, asthma, and illness. It removes pollutants like pollen, pet dander, dust mite droppings, mold spores, smoke, vehicle exhaust soot, viruses, VOCs, and odors. Sure, the other guys say their air purifiers clean the air, but particulates go right through them like flour through a sieve. With Aspen, not even heavy smoke particles get through. With a high airflow and clean air delivery rate, Aspen can clear a smoke-filled room in minutes. In our modern world, we burn things for energy. We burn coal, oil, and gas in power plants and to heat our homes. We burn gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel to move around. We burn wood to cook with, and sometimes we even burn entire forests. Burning things, called combustion, releases fine particulate matter into the air, where it can be inhaled and get deep into our lungs and cause breathing issues like asthma and COPD. The ultrafine particles can even get into our bloodstream, where they cause a plaque-like buildup on blood vessels that can eventually lead to life-threatening illnesses like stroke, heart disease, and cancer. Would you rather use an air purifier with cheap filters and a dusting of carbon? Or would you prefer Aspen's hospital-grade HEPA filters and more than 3.3 pounds of activated carbon for superior gas and odor reduction? It's like having little fairies catch all the pollutants in your air. Aspen is 100% safe to use and doesn't produce any harmful ozone or ions, since we don't think adding toxic chemicals to your air is a good idea. We keep things simple and don't use any Wi-Fi or apps, so you can say goodbye to connectivity issues. In fact, controlling Aspen is so easy a toddler can do it. Hey Alexa, turn the fan up. And changing the filters is a breeze. Do you really want all this in your lungs? Aspen is efficient, using less power than an LED light bulb on the lower fan speeds. So you can save dough for that Corvette you've been eyeing. You're probably thinking this all sounds great. Fantastic, actually. But is it loud? Let's ask Lily Light Sleeper. Unlike most companies, we make our air purifiers right here in America. Right, Bill?
Right.
So stop breathing polluted air. Try Aspen today and start breathing the clean air you deserve so you can live a healthier, happier life.